everyone, my name is Morse. Today I'm gonna tell you about cleaning slime. You can use cleaning slime, clean a house, table and chair. You can use cleaning slime instead of tissue paper. With cleaning slime, it can save a lot of trees. We can reduce waste. Share this to your friend at school. Tell your parents. Tell your grandma. Let's save the world together. Morse cleaning slime. This is awesome.